it is Sunday. I am getting ready to get in this vehicle with James. If you don't know him, he's from this video. Say hey, James.
Hi.
That's James. We are going to have an adventure today. We are going, it is 3:27, as you can tell from my nifty calculator smartwatch. We are going up on the parkway, and we are going to find a plane crash that happened in 1983. Let's go.
Parking brake on.
I forgot you. So we have made it to the Waterrock Knob Overlook. It is like 20 degrees cooler up here than it was down below. We are planning to walk and then here's the plan. We are going to walk this trail and it'll go up on that ridge there, which is Waterrock Knob, and then we'll follow the ridge line to this ridge, which is Browning Knob. And somewhere around there is the airplane crash. We've got to get going. It is 4:31. It's getting dark. It's not getting dark, it's getting cold. Let's go. The Waterrock Knob viewing area. It's very windy up here because of this storm. We're about 2/10 of a mile from the car. You can see it down there. We've got about 3/10 of a mile left to go on this to get to the top of Waterrock Knob. And then we gotta hike more. Hopefully we're gonna make it today. There is rain coming from this direction, but I think it's blowing into Maggie Valley. You all right, James? I don't know if you can tell, we're in the clouds. Wow, we are almost to the top. It is a hard climb. It's half a mile, but it's only half a mile, really. But it is straight up. And were you peeing?
No.
There's no bathrooms either. They said a fat guy couldn't do it. 2 of them did it. I forgot to scream, I'm sorry. I made it to the top. It is super windy up here. But look at this view. Montage! Okay, I'm done. So this is the top of Waterrock Knob. I know I sound like a dork right now. I am so pumped that we walked up here. I mean, it's not a lot, but we're both overweight. Very. And we walked this. We stopped a lot, but we made it. But the goal for this video is to get to that ridge over there and find an airplane. We got this. We got maybe an hour and a half before sunset, so we gotta go. Let's do this, James. So this part of the walk, I mean, you can see where we're going. You can see where we've been. It's pretty hard, this part, so I'm putting my camera in the bag. We'll spin, we'll be there. So we made up to Browning Knob. It's starting to get dark. We need to get out of here. We were about to give up, and we found it. I don't even know what to say. It's just, you could see how foggy it is around us right now. Right up here, that is a small piece of it, and the rest of us down into the woods. It's like seeing a ghost. It's weird. It's eerie up here. This is possibly one of the eeriest things that we've ever explored. It's a crazy hike to get up here, but I mean, you see what you see when you get up here. It's just, I know on these vlogs I try to have fun and joke around. I know when I started this one I said, there's people up there we gotta save, but you get here and you can't. People died in this, and gotta respect that. But this is the plain on Browning Mountain where people crashed and died in 1983, and it is one crazy hike to get up here, but we did it. All right, James?
Yeah.
We're glad we did it. But now, as you can hear, it is starting to rain. Gotta put my camera. Oh, we got a long walk back to the car. 1.5 miles. We made it. That is a hard hike. Walking up to Waterrock Knob on its own is pretty hard, but it's only 1/2 mile to Waterrock Knob, and then you go off to the left and you walk the ridge, and it's another 1/2 mile that goes straight down and then straight up, and then you gotta go back down to get to the plain. So it's a hard walk. But we did it. I am very proud of myself and James. Make sure you go to James's channel. He's starting his vlog back. Give him a like, give him a subscribe, send him a comment that says, good job, James. You hiked up that big ass mountain. All right, that's the end of today's video. See you tomorrow. James, shut the door. James, shut the door. James, shut the door. Is it gonna shut? Okay, there it goes. Bye.